Deadly wildfires continue to rage. This tragic news: a 32-year-old father is the first firefighter killed. Corey Iverson leaving behind a pregnant wife and his 2-year-old daughter, Evie. Will Carr live in Los Angeles, where some fierce winds now pose an even bigger threat. Will?
Good morning, Heather. Corey Iverson died while battling the Thomas fire, which is now the 4th largest wildfire in California's history. Iverson, who leaves behind a wife who's pregnant and a young daughter, has worked with CAL FIRE since 2009. He was part of a strike team on the front lines trying to up the containment numbers on the fire when something went tragically wrong. Now, officials aren't releasing any other details at this point, but firefighters this morning honoring the sacrifice of one of their own.
Normally at this time of year, we're slowing down and we're starting to focus on spending time with our family and enjoying the holiday season. And now tonight we're just dealing with the tragedy, and it is overwhelming for all of us.
In a statement, Governor Jerry Brown says Iverson's bravery and years committed service to the people of California will never be forgotten. Fire crews certainly keeping Iverson in mind as they continue to fight against the Thomas fire, which has burned more than 240,000 acres, destroyed nearly 1,000 homes and buildings, and is now 35% contained. The fire has also spread smoke across a large swath of Southern California. Some residents so desperate for fresh air, Heather, they simply left the area.
All right, Will Carr, it's definitely tragic news. Let's hope that it does not happen to anyone else out there battling the fires. Thank you very much.